This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness of your screen on your Xbox Series X. Now you can make the screen a lot dimmer if it's way too bright. We can go to settings right here, scroll on down to accessibilities and go to the right and go to night mode. Then we can turn on night mode and then go to the right and then go to display. And the first option, it says dim. So this is what it looks like with no dim. And we can go all the way over to the max and we can go ahead and apply this. Then right below that we have a blue light filter. You can do the same thing with this. You can see the screen is going to be changing into like more of a red color. So I think these settings are more with people who have sensitive eyes. So if you are getting eye strain while playing, you can reduce the screen brightness and you can apply a blue light filter down here below. So you can look at these two options, but make sure HDR is on too over here. And you can schedule a specific time when you have night mode turn on. So you can just look at those options right here for night mode specifically. If you want these turning on at a specific time too. It says night mode reduces light from the console so it's easier to sleep after gaming. Turn it on and off manually. Set it to local sunrise and sunset or set your own schedule. So you can set your own schedule for this, and this turns off night mode and cleared related settings. You can make a new schedule later, okay? But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.